Hi everyone, my name is Laura, one of the project development team members for Claire's project. The Claire's team consists of several AI experts, blockchain experts, and prominent data analysts to form a professional team, which ensures a greater development in the overall industries of AI, storage, and blockchain in the future. Thank you for being with us here today. We are here to talk about the promising and revolutionary technology blockchain that reduces risk, stamps out fraud, and brings transparency in a scalable way for myriad users. In case any one of you guys is new here, we firmly believe that the DAISS model mechanism will be the mainstream storage and data deployment method for all AI data foundations in the future. Our project is not only a technological innovation in the blockchain field, but also a combination of technological innovation, business model innovation, and economic systems. If no economic model is introduced into the Bitcoin system, the consistency problem of the distributed system will never surpass the Raft, Paxos, and PBFT models. The whole point of using a blockchain is to let people, in particular people who don't trust one another, share valuable data in a secure, tamper-proof way. Blockchain security makes theft much harder, since each cryptocurrency has its own irrefutable identifiable number that is attached to the one owner. With blockchain, crypto can be sent to anywhere and anyone in the world without the need for currency exchange or without the interference from central banks. More and more large corporations are coming around to the idea of a blockchain-based digital currency for payments. In February 2021, Tesla famously announced that it would invest $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and accept it as a payment for their cars. In this video, I would like to share about Claire AI data storage protocol and why it is so vital in the biotechnology industry. You will be able to understand how can you benefit from Claire's project and make the best use of it. As you all know, Claire creates a stable storage network by enhancing data storage applications and utilizes blockchain technology to create a decentralized structure, highly secured and trusted knowledge graph collaboration platform for society. We believe that distribution gives an advantage to storage, not in the size of storage nor in the commission of privacy, but in trust and sharing in a distributed storage technology. There is limitless information that can be shared. Knowledge Graph AI data is the first step in the cognitive intelligent application. Its ability to use inefficient data processing and knowledge processing reasoning can promote the upgrade of existing AI products or provide more effective solutions for the industries. The more demand for knowledge graph data on the Claire AI storage protocol, the more CLRI pledged by knowledge gateways. The demand for CLR will increase, and the more valuable the CLRs obtained by the contributors, participants in the Claire network, and the CLR holders can benefit. To ensure Claire protocol development on a long-term basis, thus, the ecosystem structure is very important. The knowledge ecosystem covers the whole process from the sorting out of knowledge graph requirements to the production of knowledge graph data, and then to the application of knowledge graph data. The need to sort out the knowledge graph mainly comes from experts in various fields of knowledge, and they have systematic knowledge structure in various vertical fields. They may be university professors with deep subject knowledge in the school, opinion leaders with rich information channels in the community, industry experts or popular science writers, etc. In addition to field experts voted by the community, the Claire AI Storage Protocol Foundation will be regularly required field experts to continue the increase of diversity of the demand side of the knowledge graph and differentiate more subdivisions. Domain experts mainly initiate the production of knowledge graph data. The Claire AI storage agreement will cooperate with various crowdsourcing platforms and professional annotation teams to help domain experts complete the distribution of manual tasks. The application of knowledge graph data will inevitably change from interesting to use as the scale of data. Claire AI storage protocol will cooperate with various data analysis, completion platforms, and continue to find the value of knowledge graph data. Currently, the Claire protocol is completed and has upgraded its storage computing systems for biotechnology. The aim is to encourage all the laboratories and research researchers to store their data on Claire protocol to increase the quality of knowledge graph AI data to help the biotech industry stay competitive in this fast-growing scientific industry. The biotechnology is an industry that is focused on the manipulation of living organisms to create commercial products. In addition, biotechnology will be a survival tool in the future due to the growing need for new technologies in multiple fields across the agricultural and the health sector. In addition to this, biotechnology industries need a lot of money to develop biotech technologies. They spend a lot on new research and technologies, yet even with the high costs needed for the biotechnology industry, investment in biotechnology is considered risky, even though they have the potential for significant high rewards. We believe Claire can provide a future development in the AI industry that will accelerate the biotechnology research and studies. Claire is proud to announce the initial collaboration with biotech clinical laboratories. Their database will be stored in Claire protocol. These databases allow to accelerate the generation of knowledge graph data, increase the density of the knowledge graph, and facilitate the AI industry to create potential new solutions for the biotechnology industry. With the joint efforts of everyone, we can teach machines to understand human knowledge, broaden AI cognition, and make them more intelligent. Biotech Clinical Laboratories is a full-service laboratory offering a wide spectrum of clinical tests and anatomical pathology. In order to achieve cost effectiveness by utilizing Claire decentralized data storage, the researchers might interact with extremely low management costs to store their research database as a private data on the Claire decentralized data storage protocol. Biotech clinical laboratories prefer decentralized data storage system over centralized data storage systems due to the data backup concerns. In a centralized system, if the server is down for whatever reason, the entire system goes down. In decentralized system, even if one of the main nodes goes down, the rest of the network will be more than capable of making up for a slack. Claire applied the distributed AI storage service, DAISS. Decentralized AI storage service uses a distribution equipment AZ mechanism to store data in more than 2 available zones. When a device is unavailable, normal access to data can still be guaranteed. DAISS redundant storage provides data design durability and service availability guarantee. DAISS redundant storage can provide data center level disaster tolerance. When a certain device is unavailable due to a network outage, power outage, or a disaster, it can still ensure that it continues to provide strong, consistent service capabilities. DAISS has rich security protection capabilities and supports server-side encryption, client-side encryption, anti-leech, whitelisting, log auditing, the compliance policy worm features. DAISS guards the security of AI cloud data and meets the security the compliance requirements of AI enterprise data. The entire failover process is unaware. Business is not interrupted and data is not lost, which meets the needs of key business systems. Therefore, the database of the laboratories can be assured and protected. On the Claire project consensus network, the decentralized storage of data, the safe, high-speed, and reliable operation of data storage, transactions, and data security verifications are realized, providing unlimited data storage capabilities for value interconnection. A good economic situation requires the high liquidity of tokens. At the same time guarantees the stability of the systems through staking the deflation. In the future, the Claire public chain will gradually derive from distributed network. Distributed computing, commercial applications, and other technological innovations based on decentralized storage networks based on distributed storage technology. In the development of the situation, the project model design must not only provide stability but also need to satisfy the full-scale and multi-purpose use scenarios. Claire's goal is to achieve not only biotechnology but to become one of the leading blockchains in the storage of the future technology. Claire AI storage protocol is fair and energy efficient. It only requires a small number of computing resources, which means that everyone has the opportunity to participate. We hope that AI will take a new and valuable path in the global basis storage built through the DAISS model.